Welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. I'm going to plan today in my Hemlock Oak B5 minimal planner for the month of April, and I'll be using my Coffee Monsterz Co as usual, and the theme for April is Dancing in the Rain. The theme is adorable this month. This is the 2025 large monthly for April. The bullet journal sheet, the washi strip sheet, and then we're into quarter two, so this is the large doodles for quarter two. We'll be using this one at the top. I have two of them. And then the date dots, this row here, and the mini dots, this row. This then is the mini doodles, using this row here. The Year at a Glance Monday Start calendar. The Hobonichi Cousin monthly artwork in washi paper. The Hobonichi Cousin days of the week. And finally, the monthly headers in black. Let's get started then with our April overview. And I'm going to write this month, I think, with a Muji gel pen in my monthly. And this is a 0.5.
Me, take the time to dig deep underneath this red heat. We could really meet. Layers, it's time to lose these naysayers. We're better off, the air will be richer, and everything's so much easier. We don't need to work so hard, we don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me just for me. Don't bail out and leave. Scary, it can be rough and quite fearsome, but to win big you gotta risk some, and I'm not like the other ones, no. Oh, we don't need to work so hard, we don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Oh, love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me just for me.
Now, on to the main part. Let's get the monthly all set up and then we can get to planning.
I remember years ago, something missing in my soul, chasing highs yet always feeling low. I remember how you looked, one hello and I was hooked, found the missing piece that made me whole. True love don't come round very often, it's like sunshine after the rain. But you know the moment it happens, everything will be okay. I hope I'm not coming on too strong, but you feel like family to me. Finding you was just like finding
Right, plans. So the 3rd is my niece's birthday. So let's do a little pink dot and a little blue balloon. And then I have my nails at 110. So let's do a little light blue dot. And then I have nothing again until the 10th, which is also a nail appointment, and it's at 12:30. So I think I'll alternate and do a darker blue dot. And then on the 12th, it's my nephew's birthday. So I'm going to do a purple dot and let's do a blue balloon. And then on the 17th is another nail appointment. So let's go back to a light blue dot. Then the 18th is Good Friday. So these are the event labels from Coffee Monsterz Co, and Good Friday's on the United Kingdom one. So let's put that down. Up at the top. And then it's also payday that day because the 20th is over a weekend. I'm going to use a little note to mark that. And then the 20th is Easter Sunday. So let's use on the main labels the Easter and put it up at the top. And then back to the UK one for Easter Monday on the 21st. And then the 22nd is Earth Day, and I'm gonna put that in from the main sticker sheet. It's a nice colour of blue. And then the 24th is nails, and we're back to dark blue dot. And then I have a hair appointment on the 26th, and as usual I forgot to write it down at the time, so I remember the date but I don't remember the time. Every time I do this you'd think I would learn, but sure. And that is everything we need in at this stage for the month. So let's move to the back of the monthly section and do our April review. And that's me all sorted and ready to go for the month of April. Thank you so much for watching today, and take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye!